all know how nice and sweet soft drinks, juice, soda, alcoholic drinks, and beer can be. But do we know that most of the drinks we take are usually harmful? What if we replace those harmful drinks with water? Here are 9 benefits of drinking only water as a replacement of the so much loved drinks. Number 9. Water stimulates the growth of red blood cells. Having water on an empty stomach stimulates the growth of red blood cells, thus creating more oxygenated blood and help you feel more energized and refreshed. Number 8. Water lowers the risk of many diseases. Diseases such as kidney stones, hypertension or high BP, bladder disorders and even cancer, especially bowel cancers, can be prevented just by mere drinking of water. Great, right? Yeah, I know. Number 7. Water makes your heart work better. Would you drink more water if you know it would reduce your risk of heart disease by half? Well, it does. Drinking 5 glasses of water per day lowers the risk of heart attack by 41%. Number 6. Water makes your brain work better. Unlike taking those much-loved drinks which are usually high in sugar, consider water. The brain is 75 to 85% water, so by drinking water you fuel it, which helps you concentrate better. Number 5. Water relieves constipation. Constipation is difficulty in passing stool. Drinking water on an empty stomach on a regular and consistent basis can help to regulate your bowel movement and relieves constipation. Warm water helps your digestive system to work properly. Number 4. Water relieves headaches. Headaches in the morning or throughout the day are usually an indication that you are not having enough water. Number 3. Water aids in weight loss. The principle behind weight loss is boosting your metabolism, which causes more calories to be burned. Just 2 cups of water in the morning can increase your body's metabolism by 24%. This also increases the energy production. On the other hand, by drinking only water for 9 days you lose the same amount of calories as when jogging for 8 kilometers a day. Water also suppresses your appetite, which makes you eat less and eventually lose weight. Number 2. Your skin becomes softer and cleaner. Water clears and moistens the skin. What makes your skin look older and acne is the buildup of toxins in your body. Water helps excrete these toxins faster. This prevents intoxication of the body and also help in preventing aging. And, of course, here is my personal favorite. Number 1. You'll save a lot of money. Great, right? The price of water is much lower than other drinks. Think about it for a moment. Let's wrap up this video on the 9 reasons you need to replace your so loved drinks with water. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and don't forget to comment, like and share the video. Thank you for watching.